Good afternoon, everyone. This is our presentation from the Baganda culture. Enjoy the presentation.
Before we say anything about Baganda, we first sing our anthem. Okuvedane deryo lyona line gwanga Buganda tiryamanyibwa nnyo eggwanga lyaffe okwetooloola ensi zonna. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, the Baganda culture. We come from Africa. We come from Africa, in the region of East Africa, and we come from Uganda, and we are located in the central region of Uganda. And what makes our culture unique? It's our dress code. As you see the ladies, they put on Gomesis, Kitambala, and a Kikoyi, which is inside. As for the gentlemen, they put on a Kanzu and a coat, as you see him there. Then also, the way we greet, we as the ladies, you kneel down, very well as a Muganda woman, and you first welcome the visitors, whereby we start by saying, Eradde banyabo, that is for the women. Then eradde basebo, as the others repeat. Yeah, that is the way we greet. Then, which is unique from other cultures. And also the way we prepare our food. Our staple food is matooke and groundnut stew. And most of the times, if we are to cook the meat, we make a luwombo, whereby we use banana leaves, and we put our food in a cabbo, and we put the banana leaf in the cabbo and put our food after us cooking it and cover it to take it to the dining ready for the people to eat. We use the mats to sit as we eat, as we enjoy our meal. And for the luwombo, we get the young banana leaf. It's the one that we use. We put it on fire to make it easy and to add its flavors to the food, and the food is tasty when it is ready, after it being cooked in the luwombo, which is unique from other cultures. And also, our anthem is unique. Our language is unique. We speak Luganda. Our customs, Kukyala, Kwanjula, they are not like other people's customs. But then, in the present day, today world, our culture is so rich in that many of the people and many other cultures have copied up to the way we do our culture practices, our norms, our dress codes. Yeah, that is for the Baganda. Let me invite someone else to talk about the rest. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Wanyenze Rachel, and I'm from the Nyonyi clan, and I'm a proud Muganda. I'm going to show you how we dance, our traditional what? Dance. I'm going to show you how we dance.
My name is Kisache Maria. I'm from the Inte clan. I'm going to talk about the cultural practices that we have among the Baganda. There is Kukyala. Kukyala is done when you're almost getting married, before the introduction. So here, the groom comes to your auntie to like propose for your hand in marriage. Then they have to come in with some gifts to appreciate like your auntie for raising you up well. Then during the Kwanjula is now like the introduction where they have to come in with gifts. They have to come with a certificate. This is a certificate given to the family of the bride. Then you have to come with a picture of the Kabaka and a picture of Nabagereka. Then also you have to come with a map of the Baganda, showing the whole of Buganda, showing all the Masaza, so the Bagombololas and all that stuff. Then another practice is Okwalula Abalongo. This is done when a family produces twins. So your clanmates come. There are some practices that you have to, like, it's like an initiation to like invite in all to celebrate their coming in the family. Then there is Okwabya Olumbe. This is done when one of the family members dies. After them getting buried, you have to come in as the family, show omusika. The omusika is like the hair. You have to come and show the omusika. During those practices, the girl, if it's a lady who has died, the girl that is shown as the hair is given a kabo and a knife to show like that knife symbolizes that you have to continue preparing food like the deceased has been doing for the family. You have to look after the family. The basket shows that like that's where we put our food to before we prepare it. So they have to also give it to them. Then there is Kukyalila Ensiko. This is done by the girls during like their teenage years. You have to go to your auntie's home to like, that is done like when they're breeding you for marriage. You have to do that. That shows a sign of maturity after you going through that practice. Then where we migrated from the Cameroon Highlands and then we came to Eastafrica in the interlacustrine regions. Those are the regions around the water bodies because we were farmers, so we needed fertile lands, and that is the place that we had to settle in. Then later spreading through East Africa to the central Uganda, where we are found right now. Thank you.
Hello viewers, this is Edward Chalula from the Mpindi clan, called the Peace clan. Peace clan, one of the 56 clans among the Baganda. So I'm here to relate business and the culture. Number one, as we Baganda a long time ago, before the coming of the Arabs that introduced the wearing of Kanzus and coats and all Gomesis, we used to make Barkcloth, and up to now we're actually making Barkcloth in Uganda, and we sell them. They use those Barkcloths during burying and sometimes cultural instances like initiation and having the spirits, welcoming the spirits in the family. And then we do make drums that we use in our ceremonies like initiation and even welcoming the spirits. We baskets known as a bibo with them, and then we sell them. Actually, many of you buy them. We also make or weave mats. You can see they are very expensive, originally made in Uganda. Farming, we call out farming. We grow coffee, matooke, and actually coffee is the main cash crop grown in Uganda. It has taken all over Uganda. So it originated from Uganda. Hunting. We do hunt for antelopes as food and we sell meat. We grow coffee. I talked about it. We grow coffee, I said, as our main cash crop and is now all over Uganda. Thank you so much for listening.
Good afternoon. I'm by the names of Kukyalila Denise. I'm Uganda from the Nyonyi clan. And I'm going to talk about the different sectors among the Baganda. Among the Baganda, we have the Balangira. The Balangira are like the princes. They are the royal, most high children to the king. The Bambeja are the female. They are the princesses. They are also royals. Then we have the Bakopi. Those are the peasants or the subjects among the Baganda. We have the Bazana. Those ones are the ones that give birth to the princes and the royalty among the Baganda. Thank you very much. That's all we had to present among the Baganda.